Welcome back, guys. So I'm going to talk about the underrated features here on X. So I was trying to upload a video in the media studio, X Media Studio. So this works like YouTube. If you are familiar with YouTube, we have something called YouTube Studio on YouTube. So you can check it out. I have my YouTube channel right here, so I could always access the backend of the YouTube and see what X Media Studio would bring to the table for us. So we are going to just come right here. So let me come right here right now and let's come to the studio, YouTube Studio, and I'll be able to access the YouTube Studio right now. So having to access my YouTube Studio backend, I'm going to be able to replicate something similar here on X. So X is trying to introduce vlog into Twitter. That's what it's trying to do. So we're going to have a thumbnail. So let me just try to change thumbnail, and I'm going to choose a frame or upload an image. So let me upload an image right now. So I'm going to change thumbnail by uploading an image, and right now let me upload an image. So I have an image for the thumbnail, so all I have to do is to access it right now, and that's the image from my thumbnail. So I could always access the thumbnail image, and that is it right there. So I just did something that we used to do on YouTube. So you can add a thumbnail, then you can give your video a title, a description, just like the same way we used to do it on YouTube. So I could come to my contents, this same video I uploaded on YouTube. So I'm going to edit the title and description just to give it the same as this on X Studio. So I'm going to paste my title right there, and my description could come, description is around 200. So description should be 200 characters. So let me just come here and try to copy a description. So let me say looking to create, yes. So let's do something like this. So let's see what we have right here. So let me copy to this. And coming back here, I'm going to just paste the description right here. And here we have looking to create a professional resume in minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for writing powerful resume content and Canva for designing a stunning ATS friendly resume. No design experience needed. Okay, so I'm going to just take this out. Yes, so take this out. So we have more than 200 descriptions, so we have to reduce that. So let's say, let me remove that. Let me remove this. So yes, let's do this. So it says looking to create professional resume in minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for writing powerful resume content and Canva for designing a stunning professional, yes, I could say professional CV. Yes, that will be it. And how would you describe your video? Select the category the video belongs. So you're going to select the category the video belongs. So let's see. So it's going to be science and education. So let's say science and education. So you could add a call to action. So your call to action could be subscribe to my channel. So let me just do that right now. So let me take them to my actual YouTube channel, and let's use that to create a call to action. So the call to action will be for them to subscribe to my channel easily, and that way we're going to see how. So I could also bring all the videos on my channel to YouTube and see how it performs on X. So all my YouTube videos could come to X. That's what it literally means, and I will see how it performs here on X. So I'm going to view my channel, and having to view my channel, let's see what we have right now. So we're going to copy this. We're going to copy this, and we're going to copy the link so they can come to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to paste that. I'm going to Control V to paste that. So it's going to be visit site, and or you say watch now. So any of those. So yes, let's see that. So and you could see content restriction. So it has no restriction right now. So all I have to do now is to post this. So this is the media studio. So you could actually create a vlog on X. That's what it's trying means. So I'm going to post this right now. So having to post this, so you could have like all these other things. So you could say what is happening, and you could continue to come with the whole full details like I was saying. So I could just Control A this, copy, just to paste the full details. I'm going to Control V this, and here we have what we have. So we're going to just come this way, and let's see what we have right now. So this says looking to create a, yes, ATS friendly, no design needed. So I could always come right here, and we have the whole. So we could just remove that, and here we are. So we could post this right now. So I'm going to post it right away. So you could edit your media settings, you could schedule, and you could just, so let's see, promoted only deliver to user targeted in campaigns. Okay, so let's post this right now. So I'm going to post that, and here I have a media posted. I have a vlog. So let me just check my profile right now. So I'll come to my home and let's see what we have right now. So this is what it's going to look like. This is what it's going to look like. Whereas this is a media, and here we are good to go. So we can proceed to do whatever we want to do. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.